Hello guys, today you're gonna see me get ready for a concert, which is Christina Aguilera's concert. I'm very excited for today's concert, and today you're gonna get ready with me. You're gonna see how I do this beautiful look, and if you want to see how it comes out, just keep watching. First thing we're gonna start is the eyebrows, and I'm using here the Anastasia Beverly Hills soft brown and blending that real good. Then we're gonna take the NYX eyeshadow base and we're gonna define that eyebrow, give it a more nice shape. I'm using the Urban Decay primer to prime my eyes. And we're gonna blend that really good. Now we're gonna continue with the first Sally. I'm gonna use this to prime my face and give it a really good moisture. Now I'm gonna be using the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's Place palette, and we're gonna take a blending brush, and I'm gonna start with the color Burkina, which is a really nice brown, and we're gonna use that in the crease, and we're gonna bring it all over the eye. Now we're gonna go ahead and use this another brown, darker brown called Fulani, and then just put it on top of the same brown and blend it all together. And same thing we're gonna do in the other eye. Then we're gonna be using the NYX eyeshadow primer, and we're gonna apply that there on the lid to apply another color on top. Now we're gonna be using a flat brush, and we're gonna start applying the Subo on the corner of the eye, on the outside. And we're gonna blend that real good and bring it a little bit to the middle. Just a nice fuchsia color, magenta kinda. Now we're gonna be dipping into this nice magenta color, Money Tear from Huda Beauty palette, and we're gonna put it on the inner corner of our eye, and we're gonna blend that real good and connect the two colors. Now we're gonna dip into the color Bossy, which is like another brown, and we're gonna put that on the crease, on the outside of our eye, also on the inside. And still using the same palette, we're gonna dip into the 24K, which is a gold, and we're gonna put that in the inner corner of our eye, which gives it like a sparkly look. Now we're using this angle brush, and we're gonna dip into the Mani Tear from the Huda Beauty and put it on the bottom of our eye and just blend it really good. Moving on to the face, I'm gonna be applying the Huda Beauty foundation on the shade Tres Leches. And honestly, I was so scared because I ordered this online and hoping that it will match. Trying to open the bottle the wrong way, guys, and it was supposed to be up. Meh, meh, meh. Now we're gonna continue with 3 pumps on the beauty blender, and we're gonna go ahead and apply this foundation. Let's see. Now we're gonna continue using the Shape Tape Concealer from Tarte, and we're gonna apply that on the under eye. And moving on to the good stuff, we're gonna contour using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Palette. Moving on to the cheeks, we're gonna be using this really nice Tarte blush, which is like a pink tone. Now we're gonna apply this black eyeliner starting from the middle. Now we're moving on to the mascara. We're gonna use the L'Oreal Telescopic, and I love this mascara because it gives the eyelashes a look that makes them look longer. Then on top of the mascara, I'm gonna be using the Lancome Monsieur Big. Not sure how is that how you pronounce it, but close. Now we're gonna be applying this banana powder under our eyes to set them. Moving on to the best part, we're gonna be applying highlighter. I'm gonna be using this Morphe Color Mirage, and we're gonna set that highlighter to make sure it's on fleek. Yes, looking good. Moving on to the lips, we're gonna be using NYX lip liner color Purple Rain. Now we're gonna be using this Huda Beauty lipstick, which is like a magenta color called Lady Boss. This is such a beautiful color. I love it. And moving on to the face, we're gonna be using the Wet n Wild powder to set the makeup. And to finish, we're gonna set our makeup with the Urban Decay Set Spray. And we're good to go. And what I like to do is apply more highlighter. Here's the final look, guys. I hope you guys like this video. I totally love the look. I got my curls popping. Like you're gonna see during the video, like my hair was like really wet, and now it's just starting to get dry. I usually let it dry by itself. All I have is Diva curls on my hair. So if you want to see how I get ready with Diva curl products, make sure you like and you give thumbs to this video. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this video, and if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe down the bottom. Make sure you click the right bell, the bell in there for notifications when I upload videos. I'm uploading videos kind of weekly. If it's not a week, it's a week and a half. So I'm trying my best. I'm off school now, and yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I'm gonna see you next time.